Look into my eyes, look into my eyes. Doesn't matter if they're blue, green, brown, they flash like fire. Colors of the earth, colors of the earth. Take your flag and stick it where you like, I'm reaching higher. Oh darling, and if you think the planet's grip can hold me back, I am a rocket, there's no way you can stop me if you try. I never felt so free as I do right now, no way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere, it's all coming clear. Say your au revoir, baby, I was made for the stars. Listen to my voice, listen to my voice.
Oh, welcome po mga Batch 76 Kamalig. Kami nagagalak dahil nandito kayong lahat. Sana masundan pa itong ating grand reunion. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.
What the hell about me, don't lose sight, I'm high society. Oh honey, if you believe in gravity, just watch and learn. I am a rocket, there's no way you could stop me if you tried. I never
Hello. So una po, pasalamat tayo kay Lord kasi andito tayo sa 58th high school batch natin. So salamat sa mga nag-effort. Alam niyo na kung sino kayo. Congratulations sa lahat sa atin. At pasalamat tayo kay Lord dahil andito pa tayo sa 58th Golden Reunion. So salamat, enjoy po tayo lahat. Enjoy po tayo lahat. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po ulit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. I am a rocket, there's
Well, sa bahagi nito, ang buhay natin is the product of the choices we have made. And those choices are not really easy. Pero ang totoo, because we never gave up on our dreams, kaya natin natupad lahat ang mga ito. Dahil meron tayong pinaglalaan ng mas malaki, yung ating pamilyang binubuo o maging ating sariling pangarap. Kaya nga daw, yung mga pagsubok na yon ay nagtasa sa atin para maging matapang at matatag.
stars. We're driving west to the coastline, and it feels like summertime as the wind is blowing by. Yesterday in the rear view, moving on to the brand new skies ahead, the clearest blue. Charting out our own paths, nothing holding us back. So we go chasing the sunlight. Hold on, yeah, it's a wild ride. It won't stop. Now this is our time. The best is yet to come. Let's go, soak up the sun rays, smile on. Yeah, it's a new day. Can't stop. Life is what we make. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. See the days getting brighter, and our
Sabi nila noon, ma'am, in 2 years, magpi-50 years na kami. Sabi niya, kailangan mag-attend kayo. Di sabi ko, kung nakakalakad pa ako. Sabi naman ng Gigi, ma'am, maski naka-wheelchair kayo, bubuhati namin ang wheelchair nyo.
charting out our own path. Nothing holding us back. So we go chasing the sunlight. Hold on, yeah, it's a wild ride. It won't stop. Now this is our time.
So good to see everybody here. Unfortunately, konti na lang ang natitira. That's how life is though, right? Kaya habang nandito tayo, enjoy each other's company.
Actually, this is my first time attending this reunion. I'm so glad I did it. So my only prayer or request for everyone is to stay healthy. They're getting younger. And I hope I'll see you again next time.
Feel alive more than ever. Yeah, it keeps getting better. Now more than ever. So we go chasing the sunlight. Hold on, yeah, it's a wild ride. Won't stop. Now this is our time. The best is yet to come. Let's go soak up the sun rays. Smile on, yeah, it's a new day. Can't stop. Life is what we make. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. The best.
Sana maraming madagdag na maka-attend at wala nang mabawas sa atin.
Is yet to